All right, welcome back. For the last 6 days, we've been gathering all the pieces. And today we put it all together. We build the bridge. This right here, this is the final blueprint. It's the culmination of our entire 7-day journey where we finally take all those treasures we've uncovered and give them a real purpose. You see, we've covered a lot, right? We've talked about the shield of gold, the sword of silver, even the wings of digital assets. But here's the thing. Those are just individual tools in your toolkit. To really face the massive economic shifts that are coming, you need more than just a pile of cool stuff. You need a structure. You need a real strategy. Because what really matters, what makes all the difference, is how you combine those tools to build your very own personal sovereign bridge. So today, right now, we're pulling back the curtain and revealing the architectural plan for that bridge. It's a special golden ratio that's designed for one thing, to give you stability and real freedom in the years ahead. Okay, so before we dive into the blueprint itself, let's do a quick recap of all the tools we have in our financial arsenal. And here they are. Think of them as your personal financial dream team. You've got gold. That's your shield, the absolute bedrock of your wealth that just doesn't budge, no matter the storm. Then there's silver, your sword. It's sharp, it's ready for quick, practical action. Platinum, that's the strategic trap. Incredibly valuable, but you gotta use it with precision. Gems are your secret, that super compact, powerful wealth you can literally carry in your pocket. And finally, digital assets. Those are your wings, giving you the freedom to move value across any border in the blink of an eye. So, the big question is, how do we get this team working together? Well, the answer is simple. The 5-3-2 golden ratio. This is our core blueprint, our game plan for the years ahead. Now, don't let the name fool you. It's actually super simple. Think of it like this. 50% of your assets go into your foundation. 30% are for your offense. And the last 20%, that's your secret reserve. It's this balance, this exact ratio, that gives your sovereign bridge its incredible structural integrity. It's what makes it stormproof. Let's break that down a little further. Step 1, that 50% foundation. This is your fortress, okay? We're talking gold and real estate, the solid, unmovable base of your castle that just endures. Step 2, your 30% offense. This is your fast-moving vanguard. This is your silver and your digital assets, the wings and the sword, ready to jump on opportunities and serve as your everyday utility. And finally, step 3, that 20% secret. Think of this as your hidden ace, your gems and your cash, ready to deploy for any emergency or that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that pops up. So, if you follow this ratio, your bridge is absolutely built to last. No question. But you know, the strength of any building, any bridge, really comes down to the person who builds it, the architect. Which leads to a really important question. What is your most valuable asset in all of this? Because it's time we talked about the one asset you have that is truly, completely unbreakable. We've been throwing this word around a lot, haven't we? Sovereignty. But what does it really mean? At its core, it's about not needing to ask anyone for permission over your own life. It's the freedom to protect what's yours when the banks start to wobble and the systems start to crack. It's the ability to think for yourself and steer your own ship when everyone else is lost in the fog. That is true wealth. And this really brings us to the ultimate point of this whole series. Your real wealth, the assets that can't be printed away, that can't be seized. They are your wisdom and your courage. See, wisdom is knowing how to use this blueprint we've just talked about. But courage is having the guts to actually act on it. Those two things are the real pillars holding up your sovereign bridge, and nobody can ever take them from you. Look, the next few years are going to test every single structure out there. But the good news is, you now have the tools. You have the blueprint. Your real journey, your real work, it starts right now. And with that, our 7-day journey together comes to a close. But now, it's your turn. It's time to take up your shield, to wield your sword, to spread your wings, and to start building. The future is yours. Go construct it. But before you go, I have one last question for you. Out of all these treasures we've talked about, gold, silver, gems, all of it, which one is your favorite? Which one resonates with you the most, and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments. Because remember, this path to sovereignty, it's a personal one, and yours has just begun.